Hi guys, you are welcome back to Damsey Fashion. This will be my first video for this year. It's been a while I've posted videos due to festive period, but now please stay tuned with us. We are fully back online on our YouTube channel. If you are yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe, like, share so that others can benefit from this channel. So today in this video we want to learn how to cut and sew this beautiful cowl neckline top. It's very easy, so let's get started. Here I already have my drafted pattern, my back pattern. This back pattern I've ruled my chest line, waistline and blouse length. This pattern does not have any dots and it has ease already at the bust and at the waist level. It is back pattern. Please know that allowance in this pattern because we are not adding that to our fabric. So this is my fabric. So the first thing I'm going to do is to place my pattern on my fabric and cut out my back piece first. So guys, I've placed my pattern on my fabric. So the next thing for me is to add my allowance. I'm going to add half inch allowances here, and I'm going to add 1.5 inch allowance here. Then at the hem side, I'm going to add 2 inches to my hem. Do you understand that? Then I will cut it out. So as you can see, we have our back pattern ready. Then we are going to unpin it. After removing the pins, this is my back. We put it in one side and we are left with the back pattern. Please make sure you cut out the back before cutting the front so that you won't waste your time drafting different patterns. So I tried to lower the neckline in the front here because I want to use this particular pattern to cut out something later, and I would not want any detachable so that we just gum it back, please. So you don't need to trim out this particular place. You can just cut out because it has no meaning. Do you understand that? So the next thing is to determine how deeper we want our cowl to be. So here I want to use 1 inch below my chest line for the cowl neck. 1 inch below, depending on what you want to use. So from here I'm going to connect to this chest line. I will rule and connect like this. After connecting like this, we are going to slash through this line. As you can see, so that it will give it an opening. Then we bring our material for the front. So I have placed my pattern on my fabric like this, unfold. Make sure you pin this place very well, and there is space for seam allowances here. Then the next thing to do, this is like this. We are going to open this place like this. As you can see, you open like this. Then we pin it. So after pinning, this is what it looks like. Then the next thing you are going to do from here is to come like this. Don't forget to add the allowance for joining. As you can see, like this, like this, like this. Then don't forget this is the neck. Then you add your allowances back for joining the allowances, then the side seam allowance is 1.5 inch. The 2 inches we added for the down, then we cut. Just follow me carefully the way I'm cutting it. This is pulling me down. Can you see that? Then you make sure this place is notched. For the neckline, you make sure you notch here. So the next thing is to cut our facing. So I have placed this on another fabric so that I'll cut out the lining, reaching this exact line. So that I want my edges to be neat with good finishing. So facing, and this is our front pieces already. So guys, now you can see our front pattern with our facing. What we are going to do is that where we notch at the shoulder, starting from this notching to this second notching, you are going to sew 1/2 inch round. That's right side of the facing right side of our fabric. Then for my back pattern, I'm not using facing for it. You can decide to use facing for yours, but I am not using facing for mine. I'm just going to bind my neckline here from here to here. So after doing this, I will show you what next. I will give it a nice press and show you how it looks like. So guys, after sewing my neckline, this is what it looks like. I have ironed it. As you can see, this is still my shoulder. You see that? And this is my shoulder here, where I started from. And my back, I have bind the neck with the material, and as well use your bias to bind the neck. So the next thing to do is for me to take the shoulder this way and take this shoulder this way. Then I take my back front side facing each other. Then I use this facing to turn it over to join 1/2 inch by the shoulder, and the same thing to the second shoulder. Then after this is to join the sides 1.5, that's to the measurement, and to fold my hem allowance. Then I'll turn it and show you how it looks like. For me, I am using a small sleeve. You can decide to make it sleeveless or anything. Let me come back and show you how it looks like. So I have joined the shoulder. As you can see, I turned it. This is the front, and I fixed my sleeve. I join the side and I fold the hem. So this is the back and this is the front. I'm going to put it on the mannequin and you see how it looks like. So guys, this is our cowl neckline. Thanks for watching. If you are yet to subscribe, subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye.